Hi guys! So today's video is going to be a travel hacks video, and I'm just going to be taking you through some hacks that are going to completely save you if you're traveling with just a carry-on. I'm the kind of person that overpacks a ton, and when I hear the thought, or like my parents say, or I'm going on a mission trip and they're like, you can only take a backpack or you can only take a carry-on, I'm like, oh! Like, it literally pains me because I overpack so much. Throughout this process and life experience, I have learned tips and tricks on how to actually pack in a carry-on in ways that save a lot of space and just make it so that you can get all you need in a carry-on and you don't have to worry about. I'm sorry, my hair is like literally so terrible and such a mess. It's so staticky right now. Hold on, I gotta fix this. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna tuck it behind the ears because nothing else is working. Alright, so I'm actually babysitting right now, so I kind of have to like rush through this video. So I'm just going to get through the hacks, and I hope you guys find it helpful and really enjoy this video. I love travel videos, so I hope you guys like this. My first tip is to wear the big stuff. So if you want to bring like a jacket or like a hat or like a sweatshirt or jean jacket or just stuff that like takes up a lot of space, anything like that you should wear on the plane so that it's saving space in your suitcase and you don't have to put it in there. That's been super helpful for me. So I go to the airport and I'm like dying of heat, but at least I can like bring the stuff that I want because it doesn't fit in the suitcase. So if you wear it, then you can bring it to your destination, and yeah. For traveling and just everyday use, I absolutely love the company Scentbird. They are a luxury fragrance subscription, and so you can get perfume sent to you every single month for $14.95, and it comes in a little travel size case, and it's so perfect. Like, I absolutely love this company because you can try out so many different fragrances and you don't have to like commit to a full 3-ounce $100 bottle. You can just get the little ones that you choose that they send to you, and it's perfect. And these I find have lasted me for many months without running out. It's way more convenient to be able to bring this when traveling instead of like a huge perfume. And honestly, some of the sizes are too big that you can't even fit it in a carry-on. You have to put it in a check bag. So if you have something like Scentbird, then you can easily just honestly put this in your purse or your carry-on. So what you do is you just twist and the top pops up, and then you can just spray it on. And then you can also take it out of the case. So it looks like this, and it just has the name of the perfume that you got on it, and then you can just put it on and then twist it back. Super easy. This month I got the scent Candy by Prada, and it's so incredible. I seriously love it, so I'm really happy about this. What's also perfect for traveling is the new hand cream and shower gel line that Scentbird just launched. So I got this hand cream. It's in the scent Rose and Prosecco? I don't know, I sound stupid because I can't pronounce it, but this is seriously the best lotion I have ever used. It smells so good, and it actually like moisturizes your hands, and the smell lasts for seriously hours. It's so amazing. So this is perfect for traveling because again, it's travel size and you don't have to bring a huge lotion. Yeah, definitely check out Scentbird if you haven't already. Make sure to take a closer look at their new line of hand creams and shower gels because I seriously can testify that these are so amazing and probably one of the best lotions that I've ever used. Another hack that I have for traveling is to use pouches. This saves so much space. So I usually have a pouch for like shirts, a pouch for pants, a pouch for underwear, bras, just all different pouches. I have a pouch for makeup, like socks, literally everything that you can think of. I try to have like a pouch for it so that when you open it up you know exactly where everything is, and it just kind of compacts everything and saves a lot of space. If you're somebody that doesn't like to use pouches, I recommend rolling your clothes instead of folding them because that saves a ton of space. I think pretty much everybody can testify to this. Once they've tried it out, they're like, wow, that really does work. And so yeah, if you just roll up your clothes instead of like stacking them on top of each other, it saves a lot of space, and then you can easily see what all of your shirts and your pants are because it just is like facing you instead of being stacked on top of each other. The fourth I found to be really helpful, and that is to pack 3 tops for 1 bottom. So pants obviously are a lot of material and take up a lot of space. So if you're packing a pair of shorts or jeans or a skirt for every single shirt that you're bringing, it's just gonna take up a lot of space in your suitcase, and honestly, you're not gonna be able to fit anything. So if you have the rule of thumb that you're just gonna bring 1 pair of pants to match with 3 different tops, then that's just gonna work super well for you. And I've also found that you don't really have to wash pants like that often. It's fine if you wear the same pair like 3 times in a row if they don't really get that dirty. And if they tend to stretch on you, if that's a concern that you have, you can just throw them in the dryer and they just shrink right back up. Another tip that I have is to use your shoes as storage units. And I know that sounds kind of weird, but you can really just shove like your charging cords in there, you can shove your socks in there, you can put your jewelry in there, and so then you don't have to have an extra like compartment for that or another pouch just for your socks or your jewelry. You can just put it straight in your shoes and it works. Another tip that I have is to pack only one hairstyling tool, and I know to a lot of you, you're probably just like crying and cringing, and that is exactly how I feel, because just when I pack, everybody laughs at me because I bring like a hair blow dryer, a straightener, a curling iron, this like hot airbrush. That is 4 hairstyling tools, and that is excessive. So you don't need to do that. It takes up so much space, it takes up so much weight. Yeah, it just makes your suitcase literally a ton. So if you're going on a trip, just be dedicated to, if you're gonna have curly hair, if you're gonna have straight hair, or if you're just gonna blow dry it straight, just bring one hairstyling tool and it's gonna save you so much space. And honestly, when I bring every single hairstyling tool, I usually don't even end up using all of them. So just dedicate yourself to only one and just use that, and it'll save so much space. Okay, the last hack that I have is to stick to a color palette when it comes to choosing your outfits and what you're going to be wearing for your vacation, because if you have all a different assortment of colors, nothing is going to really match together and you're going to have to pack a ton of different outfits. But if you have all one color, you can kind of just mix and match everything, and like a gray shirt will look good with black pants, or those black pants will look good with the white shirt, stuff like that. It's all just going to coordinate and match together. If you stick to a color palette, that is all going to mesh together. So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and got something helpful out of it, and if you'd like to see more travel videos from me, or just like videos where I pack, I love doing those. Let me know if you'd like to see those, and I can definitely do some more of those. And don't forget to check out Scentbird if you haven't already. I know you guys will love it. I've used it so many times and I'm definitely like a true fan of it. I support it 100%. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll have the link in the description down below. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye. Or do you like off camera?
You just ruined it.